Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to be disassembling and showing the different parts of a CRT monitor. This specific one is a Hyundai model HMM-1401, manufactured in 1988. Now I decided to take this one apart because the seller mentioned that it was 4 parts, meaning that it more than likely doesn't work. Also, this monitor in particular has a 9-pin VGA cable, whereas my PC only has a 15-pin VGA port, meaning that they more than likely won't connect properly. Now of course, throughout the monitor I saw all sorts of signs and warning labels. I also saw all of the wires, chips, and things that held the PC together. I saw the CRT's attached flyback transformer, as well as its implosion band. The implosion band is a metallic strip with one knob on each of its 4 corners that wraps around the CRT. In short, the purpose of the implosion band is to act as protection for the CRT, so that way in case it ever breaks, it doesn't go. Now some other important parts of the CRT which all can be seen here are the copper colored wires, which are known as deflection coils. That white circular part behind the deflection coils is called the yoke, and that clear part behind the yoke is called the neck. For those of you viewers who need more visual reference, here's a diagram that I found online. And here's some labels that I found on the inside of the casing. Eventually came the time to put the monitor back together, which admittedly was a little bit of a challenge, but not too much. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope to see you again soon.